You'll see you have a 100 amp switch breaker right there. I ran that to a positive bus, so the battery has a direct to that circuit breaker. That circuit breaker then charges that positive bus. Positive bus has some cabling going around through the back and connects to my fuse block right here. There's the winch relay, and then I have a little relay on top of that. You can see that that's for the master switch. This one, this controls this fuse block right here using the master switch. Right now, my setup, I've just installed a radiator relocation kit, so obviously that's a whole different project and story, but we'll stick with the electrical. I did install some quick jumpers, so that way I can do a jump if needed for myself or for somebody else. That is connected directly to the battery. So my setup, pretty much as long as that circuit breaker is charged, because I can shut that off under the hood like I showed, this I can turn on my main power anytime with the key off. It's not dependent on that. What that will allow me to do is turn on any of my accessories without having to have the ignition on. This is a blower for my CVT belt box. Just added a marine blower into there. Have it snorkeled up into the dash, taking in air, bringing it down into a belt box. Again, this allows me to use the master switch to turn it on and off, irregardless of the machine running. That includes directionals, horn, now accessories wise, that's all the stock items. Nothing's connected that I added to that, including the winch. Won't work unless that master switch is on.